Today we are going to do the lesson The Road Not Taken. Stanza 1. This is the poem 1, The Road Not Taken. Road Not Taken is written by Robert Frost. So the poem starts like two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be a one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood means there were two roads which diverged in a forest, and the poet could not travel the both roads, and he could be a traveler of one road only. He looked the first road as long as he could, and it bent like he could not see anymore. टू रोड डाइवर्ज इन येलो वुड मतलब दो रोड थे जो कि एक फॉरेस्ट में कहते अलग अलग हो गए, और पोएट कह रहे हैं कि मैं दोनों रोड को ट्रैवल नहीं कर सकता हूँ, मैं बस एक ही ट्रैवलर रह सकता हूँ, मैं जितना दूर तक देख सकता हूँ। फिर वो दोनों रोड को देखते हैं जितना दूर तक वो देख सकते थे, और वह जितना दूर तक देख पाते हैं वो दोनों ही रोड बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं। स्टैंजा 2. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, through as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Here he took the second road, thinking that it would have better claims. The road was grassy and wanted wear means the road was the leaves in the spring season were not stepped on, and the road was grassy and wanted wear means someone has to walk on it by while the passing through it. उन्होंने दूसरे रोड को चुना क्योंकि उनको वो सही लगा, और फिर उनने यह सोचा कि इस रोड से हमें ज़्यादा अच्छा मिल सकता है। वह रोड ग्रासी और वांटेड वेयर था, मतलब उस रोड पे जितनी भी पत्तियाँ थी वो गिर गई थी, और उस पे कोई नहीं चला था, इसलिए वो रोड पे लोग चलना चाहते थे, मतलब रोड पे दो रोड चाहता था कि लोग उस पे चले जब तक वो वहाँ पे चले थे। पोएट. Stanza 3. And both that morning equally lay in leaves no stabbed had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to the way, I doubted if I ever should come back. The poet was trying to say that on the morning the both road looks same, but after some times the first road leaves are trodden black because more people walk on them. And when the poet was going on the second road, he said that he would keep the first road for the another day, but he doubted that he would ever come to the second road or not. पोएट यह कहना चाहते थे कि मॉर्निंग में मतलब सुबह को कल दोनों रोड एक ही जैसे दिखते थे, जहाँ पे कोई भी पत्तों पे कोई भी नहीं चढ़ा होता था, लेकिन उनने बोला था कि उनने पहला वाला दूसरे दिन के लिए रखा है, और लेकिन उनको तब भी शक होता है कि क्या वो कभी भी दूसरे रोड पे आएंगे। Stanza 4. I shall be telling with a sign somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. The poet Robert Frost would tell some ages and ages after, when he will become a grandfather or a father of someone else, with a sign that he would recite a story to her grandkids or his kids, that two roads diverged in a wood, and he took the less one travel that made the all difference in his life. If he would selected the first one, his life would be different. वो ये कहना चाहते थे कि मतलब सालों सालों बाद जब उनके पोता पोती हो गए, तब वह उनको कहते हैं ये कहानी सुनाएंगे कि उनने दो रोड में से दूसरा वाला रोड चुना था, और यही उनका डिफरेंस बनाता है, मतलब यही उनको सबसे विपरीत बनाता है। हियर इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट मैप फॉर यू टू मेक नोट्स। extra questions for more practice.